In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nudge objects with your keyboard in PowerPoint. This is an essential skill that can greatly improve your ability to create precise, polished presentations. With just a few simple techniques, you can fine-tune the position of your images, text boxes, tables, and other elements to achieve the perfect layout. Let's begin by launching PowerPoint on your desktop. If you already have PowerPoint open, excellent. You're already a step ahead. Now, you'll want to either open an existing presentation or create a new one. If you're starting from scratch, take this opportunity to add your photos, tables, or any other content you plan to work with. This ensures you have a solid foundation for understanding how to nudge your objects effectively. With your presentation open and objects added, let's dive into the nudging technique. If you've ever needed to adjust an element slightly to achieve that perfect alignment, nudging can be your best friend. Simply start by clicking on the object you wish to move. This could be an image, text box, or any other item in your slide. Once you've selected your object, the arrow keys on your keyboard become your primary tool for movement. Each press of the up, down, left, or right arrow key will shift the selected object in the corresponding direction. This method is perfect for when you need moderate adjustments and want to keep things simple. However, there are times when you require even more precision. PowerPoint offers a solution for smaller, fine-tuned adjustments. By holding down the Control key on your keyboard while pressing the arrow keys, you can achieve these tiny movements. This technique allows for minute changes, giving you unparalleled control over the positioning of your slide elements. Remember, nudging with the keyboard is one of those powerful, yet often overlooked tools that can make a substantial difference in your slide design. It not only saves time, but also helps maintain a consistent and professional look throughout your presentation. By using these easy techniques, you'll find that aligning your content becomes less of a chore and more of an art form. So, take advantage of these shortcuts to enhance your workflow and ensure your presentations stand out with clarity and precision. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you find these tips helpful for your future PowerPoint projects. Don't forget to practice this technique regularly to build confidence and speed in your design process. Until next time, happy presenting!